Hello, my YouTube fans. Welcome again to my channel. I want to talk to you today about the concerns I have in Canada as it relates to the insurance industry. Based on what I have learned as someone who studied the history of insurance in general, in a nutshell, this is what happens. It's like, say, a group of 100 people decide to pool their money together to cover each other in the event of an accident or death or a tragedy. Now, it is highly improbable that all 100 people at the same time is going to have an accident, a death, or a tragedy. So what insurance is when everybody pool their money together to help the one out of the 100, or the two or the three out of the 100, or let's say 5 out of the 100 who had a tragedy. And so all the money that is pooled together will go towards helping those persons who have the tragedy or the accident. And that was the inception of insurance. That was the idea. However, I notice in Canada, the whole idea of the insurance has been changed altogether. It's no longer a pool of these people taking your money and keeping it for when there's an accident. What the insurance industry want is for you to be paying every month. Everyone is paying exorbitant insurance in Canada, and they are expected not to have an accident, not to make a claim, not to have a tragedy, so that the insurance can just profit from this premium. And that is a real ripoff in this country. The insurance industry in Canada is a real ripoff. These people are nothing but they're talking about fraud, insurance fraud. They are the ones who are fraudulent because they are there who supposed to protect us and provide for us when we have an accident, become disabled or whatever happened to you. They don't even want to honor that obligation. They want to find a way to go around you. So they are the only ones who are sanctioned. You know, in this world, some people are sanctioned to be criminals, to kill, to shoot, to maim, to thief, to rob, while others, when they do it, oh, they throw you in a cage and in jail. But when them do it, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay for them to kill you and for them to rob you and for them to be fraudulent and for them not to honor their obligation as an industry. But if you go there and you do something wrong, the media you're put before a judge and you are fined or you're thrown in jail. Yeah, that is what it's all about. So legitimate criminals versus the real criminals. There are legitimate criminals versus the real criminals in this world. What he pays, well, let me put it, what he pays per month, I should say, in Canada is what he would pay for the year, unless in Mexico. And no wonder why people are packing their bags to leave this damn country, because the government always are protecting these big conglomerates and don't see to it that they fulfill their mission. The insurance industry is there to collect your premium so that when there's a tragedy, they come to your rescue. But what I find now is if you have an accident, they penalize you, your premium shot up to the sky.